Set theory episode 27377 in intersection of two sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all the elements which are common in A and B. This is denoted by A intersection of B. Read as A intersection of B. See, the symbol of intersection is this. This is the symbol of intersection. This is the symbol of intersection. Now, symbolically, we represent this A intersection of B equal to X is such that X is element of A and X is element of D. Here see, the symbol of element, this is the symbol of element like this. You can write like this. Symbol of element is like this. This is the symbol of element. This is the symbol of element. So here symbolically A is the intersection of B. X is such that X is the element of A and X is element of B. Or A is the intersection of B. X is such that X is the element of A and there exists X is the element of B. Clearly, this is very clear. Clearly, X is the element of A and intersection of B. This implies that X is the element of A and X is the element of B. For example, if we want to very clear to understand the intersection of two sets, becomes an example. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3. This is a one set and B is equal to 2, 1, 5, 6. A have 3 elements 1, 2, 3. B have 4 elements 2, 1, 5, 6. Then intersection of B, what is 1 and 2, because A have 1 and 2 element and B set have also 2 and 1 element. Intersection means if there is two sets A and B and we have to see that which element is common in both the sets. Here 1 and 2 both are common. So intersection of B is equal to 1, 2. Here the intersection of two sets can be represented by Venn diagram as shown in the following figure. The shaded region represents A intersection of B. Here in by Venn diagram, this is the space which represented by S and A. This is the A and this is the B. All the elements of B and A is belong which are common. All the element of A is belong to all the element of B, so we can write this A is the intersection of B. Now here some element of A and some element of B are common, so we can design intersection of B like this. And if no element of A and no element of B are common, then we can write A intersection of B, this is equal to phi. Here A is the subset of B and A intersection of B is equal to A. Same way, A is subset of B, B is subset of A. So this condition can be arrived. Now A and B is the intersection of B, then A intersection of B is equal to phi. So it will be clear the generalized definition. We could arrive on the generalized definition. The intersection of sets A1, A2 is the set of all elements which is common to all the sets A1, A2 is denoted by n is equal to, this is the intersection symbol, n is equal to 1 to infinite an, or A1 is the intersection to A2, intersection to A3, intersection and so on, continue. Now n is equal to 1 to infinite. This can be also written as x is so that x is belong to an for all n. Now see, if another condition is that n is equal to 1 to k, then an is equal to x is such that x belong to an for n is equal to 1 to 3 and so on k. Now we can